A false inauguration does not invalidate the correct and truthful inauguration. The people of Zimbabwe are very clear of what they voted for. You can have an inauguration, like I said, in the next hour. It doesn't change the fact that the people voted and that their vote must be respected. The same constitution that took us to the Constitutional Court is the same constitution that gives us the right to demonstrate. It's actually a constitutional right, which we have not exercised over the past few days on account of examining and executing the constitutional route. Now that that door is shut, there are many other doors. That Section 59 door of political protest is just one of them. Peaceful protest. I requested him to have a meeting. He has not responded. And the meeting is not to discuss anything, but to discuss legitimate issues, to discuss all the disputed issues around free and fair elections, so that the country is able to move forward. There has to be dialogue.